In this lecture, we will discuss about Chabahar Port. India gets 6-month exemption from US sanctions for Chabahar Port in Iran. Why news? India has received a waiver on United States sanction against Iran Chabahar Port for 6 months. India and Iran signed an MOU in 2015 to jointly develop the Shahid Baheshti port at Chabahar. Chabahar port helping India access to market of Afghanistan, the Central Asian state, and Russia. India's sanction-related issues emerged due to Western sanctions against Iran. This is graphical representation of connection between Chabahar Port and Indian port. About Chabahar Port. Chabahar Port is a deep water port in Sistan, Balochistan, Iran, on Makran coast near the Gulf of Oman, outside the Strait of Hormuz. It is Iran's only deep sea port with direct open ocean access, providing India secure and direct access for large cargo ships. It has two main terminals, Shahid Baheshti and Shahid Kalantri. India actively involved in developing the Shahid Baheshti terminal. Development and management. The Chabahar Agreement 2016 was signed between India, Iran, and Afghanistan to establish the International Transport and Transit Corridor (IPGL) through its subsidiary India Port Global Chabahar Free Zone (IPGCFZ) took over Chabahar port operations in December 2018. Operational performance. Chabahar Port has transshipped wheat and pulses from India to Afghanistan, facilitated supply of malthan environment-friendly pesticide to Iran in 2021, and supported humanitarian aid during the COVID-19 pandemic. What is the significance of Chabahar Port for India? Number one, alternative trade route. Chabahar Port provides India an alternative route to Afghanistan and Central Asia, bypassing Pakistan. It reduces dependence on traditional choke points like the Strait of Hormuz. Number two, ensuring connectivity. It improves access to Iran and INSTC via shorter route from Kandla port. INSTC means International North-South Transport Corridor. Number three, economic benefit. Chabahar port enhance India trade with Central Asia and Afghanistan, diversify routes, and enhance access to Russia, Europe, Iran, and Afghanistan. It led to economic growth of India. Chabahar port, a key INSTC node, link the Indian Ocean to Northern Europe, cutting trade cost by 30% and transit time by 40%. Number four, humanitarian assistance. This port serves as a crucial entry point for humanitarian aid and reconstruction in Afghanistan. Number five, strategic influence. It strengthens India's strategic presence in the Indian Ocean, counters China's Gwadar Port and Belt and Road Initiative, and enhances anti-piracy capabilities. Conclusion. Chabahar Port is important to India's regional influence, trade, and connectivity ambitions. Its role as a strategic counterweight offers opportunities despite challenges from US sanctions, regional instability, and competing projects.